Now, let me put my disclosure. I love doing UKRs. I know that they give very good results, but herein lie the details. Now, why UKR scores over TKR? Because there is less soft tissue damage, there is less morbidity and mortality, the central pivot is intact, so the normal kinematics is maintained, and you get a good functional result. But then it's a very exact technique. So you need to have patients, properly indicated patients, and you have to follow the techniques properly to get those results. Now we have been seeing someone is moving it. Okay. Okay. So you need to have all those indications. You have to operate those properly indicated patients. You move ka sako. And if you don't follow the technique properly, then you get all the bad results. Now, many literature have been shown that you get good results even with extended indications. But if you go into the details, most of these studies have come from high volume centers. And you have to see what is done in what the registry shows to get the good results. So this UKR is very technique dependent and indication dependent. And these are the indications, ideal indications for UKR. Now, why do you want to do a UKR? Because the functional results are supposed to be better than TKR. Now, going through the literature, we found out that there are 5 randomized studies which compare the functional results of UKR versus TKR. And out of that, only one study definitively showed that UKR functions better than TKR. Now, this is a very interesting study. It's done in Finland. It's a double-blinded prospective study and multicentric study. Here the assessor was blinded as well as the patients were blinded. Even the patients didn't know that they have undergone UKA or TKR for 2 years. I couldn't imagine this study being conducted in our country. And there the result was that the patients treated with UKA did not have better patient-reported outcome at 2 years interval. Of course, the earlier results were much better. They had a faster post-operative recovery compared with the patient treated with total knee arthroplasty, and there was no difference in the number of revisions between the 2 study group. Well, that's okay because 2 years is too short a period to consider revisions. So, if we talk of functional results, so we see that at the end of 2 to 3 years, there are very few studies which say that the UKR score over the TKR. And now with the new age TKRs, where we talk of personalized alignment, restricted kinematic alignment, functional kinematic alignment, with the technology, either navigation or robotics, these early functional results are also getting better. And this supposedly good functional results come with what cost? So these are the complications you get to see in UKR. Some of these complications are very typical to unicondylar arthroplasty. Now, your alignment has to be within that particular range, 2 to 3 degree. If it is more varus, it will go into early aseptic loosening. And lo and behold, if you overcorrect it, the lateral side will progress to osteoarthritis. You can have this dislocation of the insert, or if your intraoperative technique is slightly off the mark, you can have this kind of fractures. So the technique is very exact. You need to master that technique. That's why they say that all the surgeons whose practice of UKR is less than 5% of their total surgeries, the complication rate is quite high. So you need to do at least 20 to 40% of your cases as UKA to get good results. Now survivorship. Now these are registry data and they take all kind of implants and all kind of surgeons into account. Not from any particular group who are doing high volume cases. So if you see, after 15-year survival rate of UKA in most of the registries are in the range of 80s, whereas TKR, similar kind of TKR done by all kind of surgeons with all kind of implants is 95%. So that's a big difference. So all these things have to be kept in mind. So I'm all for UKR. So if done in properly indicated patients with proper technique, it gives good results. But then why to extend the indications? Your TKR gives also very good results with probably better longevity, with probably less complications. Thank you.